Where are you?
Yes, I'm in front of the place.
She's gone.
Okay.
Where are you?
In front of the place. My love! My love! I can't wait to see her. She must be very wealthy. Hey! My love! What is going on here? Brother,
Are you precious?
who is this? Yes, I'm precious. I'm the one calling.
You are precious.
Yes.
But you are different from what you are showing me online. Why are you like this?
Brother,
Are
who is she? Who is she? Who is this wretched woman being here?
This is the girl that we want to see.
Eh? You are who want to see?
That is the girl I've been waiting for. I'm telling you. But why are you putting on this? Are you a pure water seller?
Yeah. I hope. A pure water seller wants to marry my brother. Brother, why now, eh?
Okay, Joe, calm down. Let me confirm something. Let me get something. Wait, you never told me that you are a pure water seller. And the pictures you are showing me and all that things you are showing me is quite different from your appearance. Why?
I do this for a living.
I was even telling my sister that you came from a rich family, that you are very rich, that your parents have money, that you are. I was telling them, but I never knew that you are. Why?
So, brother, you made me dress this hot and so fine to go and meet a pure water seller. This wretched, smelling, useless idiot.
See, just have to calm down, okay? Zini, just calm down. Even I know. Just calm down. Let's just hear from her. But for how long have you been doing this kind of business?
For years now. Yes.
Years. You have been selling pure water for years. What about the pictures you have been sending me online? Why?
Talk now. Open your mouth and talk.
Just calm down, please.
It's just fake life.
Fake life?
Packaging like you package your life. You
No. No.
Brother.
No, please.
Brother, you cannot marry
Please.
this. You cannot see. You are not going to marry her.
Please.
You will not do that.
You are not me.
I
Please.
gave you Sandra, my friend. See, she has fronts, she has back.
I don't like
And you said you don't like her.
I don't like
this is the law.
Just calm down. Now let me hear from her. Besides, you have not heard from me first. Allow me to talk first now. You just slap her now. Just